What is the difference after installing 25mm spacers on your Nissan Patrol? The 25mm spacers are a kind of view upgrade accessory that has now become a common practice among many car modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of 25mm spacers can fix the wrong offset. They also improve the stability, handling, and the overall appearance of the Nissan Patrol. The first difference is that the stance of the Nissan Patrol will be wider. After fitting Nissan Patrol wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the Nissan Patrol's performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these 25mm spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing 25mm spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit large brakes or wheels on your Nissan Patrol. The additional clearance provided by the 25mm spacers can prevent the brake from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a low center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding 25mm spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall ride experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their car. BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In addition, BONOSS Nissan Patrol wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevel's fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers, since spacers are components that contain the other part. You need tight, tolerance ones. Also, BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Nissan Patrol wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.